Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rose, and today I'm going to review this headband wig for you guys. So I got this wig on AliExpress for roughly, I want to say $60 or not more than $70. I know that for a fact. And it's a 20-inch kinky curly hair from Bling Hair, and I'm just showing you guys what the wig looks like and how strong the headband is. It was actually a pretty good wig, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, so the wig came with the headband, of course, and this headband was like regular size. So this is what I'm showing you guys right now, and it came with some nice hoop earrings. It also came with a wig cap, like the light wig cap, like, excuse me, what? Anyways, yeah, and I am just showing you guys it came with lashes, but it's like, what? And yeah, anyways, and it also came with like a little packaging showing what the hair is about, and the hair is from Bling Hair, and it also came with an extra rubber band, which I did end up adding in the back of my head. So to style the hair, I'm going to do it in sections with the Maui Moisture Hair Care coconut curling smoothie, sorry, and some water and a detangling brush, or like a sort of deadening brush. But the thing with this is, if you use it this way, when the hair dries, it will turn into a big afro. I eventually restyled this hair, and I only used water and gel right after I washed it, and it did give me those curls. So this hair is kind of versatile. You can do both. You can have it in an afro style, or you can have it curly like that. So the way I did it with the technique I'm showing you guys right now, you're going to get an afro when the hair dries. Alright, you guys, so this is just me acting crazy, but it is the next day, and I am going to revamp the hair with some water because overnight it did gain a lot of volume. And just like I told you guys last time, if you do it this way, then that will be the result. You will have a nice afro. So I am using this touchdown edge control that I got from my cousin, and an edge brush just to do my edges. I braided my hair back, and now I'm just doing my edges. Since it's a headband wig, my edges will be out, so this is what I'm just doing right now with that edge control. And then I did put a wrap and let it sit for 5 minutes before I put on the wig. Alright you guys, so this is the wig. I am just installing it. Apart from styling the hair, this wig literally takes 2 minutes to install. This is literally the fastest wig install I've ever done in my entire life, and I absolutely love it. If you don't mind leaving your edges out, then this is the best wig for you. Headband wigs are amazing, and I was scared that it was going to fall off, but it actually didn't. So I was getting ready for an event, and this is why I am looking for like a headband to put on. But this wig is amazing, you guys. I even got it for my mom, and this hair looks almost like it's my real hair. Like, people did not want to believe that this wasn't my hair. So I love this wig, you guys, and I really enjoyed this experience with the wig, and I really recommend this wig to anybody who has the same texture hair as me. And that is it, you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because it will really help your girl out. Alright, I'm out, you guys. Bye.
Thank you.